My mom is sick, so I'm staying with my Aunt Letty and Cousin Lucas. I'll be staying a while, so I'm going to go to his school.
My cousin Aaron is staying with us for a while. He'll be going to my school, but he's in a different class.
It's kind of weird staying with them. Lucas and I get along pretty well, but we're really different. He's always wanted me to shoot hoops with him. I'm not that into sports, especially basketball. I'd rather read or play a video game.
So today is Aaron's first day at my school. My mom says I have to make him feel welcome. I'm glad he's staying with us. I just don't want to be responsible for him all the time. Come on, I made it so you can be on the other team. Let's play.